how to edit a comment in Figma. So if you haven't watched a video on how to add comment, you can simply go to the link above and tap into there so that you can first know how to add a comment. So this video I'm going to show you how to edit a comment, and it's just a matter of a few seconds and you'll be able to do it. So let's say I have added a comment over here and I want to edit this comment. Simply tap into the comment on the bubble over here and tap into this one. And as you can see, there's a 3-dot bar. Simply tap into that one and you'll see an edit option. Simply tap into that and now you will be able to edit. So before I had written something like subscribe to Tech Basics. I'm being real, guys. Please do subscribe to Tech Basics right now. I'll just wait for you to do it. Okay, I hope you have done that. So let's say I'm gonna add more. Like, okay, hit the like button. Okay, now I want to save it. All you have to do is tap into the save button and a comment has been edited. Before it was just subscribe to Tech Basics and now it's hit the like button. So that's it. It's very simple and it can be very crucial, like whenever you want to edit the comment you have already added, it's gonna be helpful in that time. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech Basics, obviously. And yeah, thank you for watching and happy designing.